Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to apply for a short-term loan in Lendio. Short-term loans are ideal if you need quick funding and can repay within months rather than years. Here's how to apply with Lendio. First, log into your Lendio account, of course using your email address and your password. Now once you're logged in, on your dashboard, just click apply for a loan. Now, from the financing option, you're going to select short-term loans. Now, just enter your business information. That's your name, industry, years in operations, and your annual revenue. You're also going to need to provide your personal details, including ownership percentage and credit score range. You're also going to need to upload required documents such as recent bank statements, tax returns, or profit and loss statements. Be sure to review all information for accuracy as lenders move quickly with these loans. Click submit application once everything looks good, and Lendio will then contact you with lenders that offer short-term financing, typically with repayment terms from 3 to 18 months. Go ahead and compare offers before choosing the one that fits your cash flow. This option is best for covering urgent expenses or short-term opportunities where fast capital is crucial. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.